Hello, welcome to Travel with Sui. London's acclaimed holiday display Lightscape is back and even brighter this year. Visitors will enter through a twinkling winter cathedral and journey along more than over a mile of pathways filled with multicolored, glowing trees and a dozen large-scale installations that explore light in all shapes and forms, all accompanied by charming themed sounds. You will be immersed in a kaleidoscope of color that brings the flora to life at night in the most dazzling way. Welcome to the Lightscape, Los Angeles. This enchanting illuminated trail will span 1 mile and feature spectacular sights with eye-catching artistic installations that come alive at night with color, imagination and sound. Visitors will be treated to a one-of-a-kind immersive experience in the garden, wandering into a festive world of wonder with thousands of twinkling lights in various installations. The Winter Cathedral is a lighted archway leading toward the Queen Anne cottage. At night, it is quite eye-catching from a distance. Inside, it is mesmerizing. The Queen Anne cottage is one of the several historic structures in the Arboretum. The LA Arboretum produces Lightscape in association with Sony Music, which amazes millions of people year after year with similar shows in multiple locations across the UK.
Make
Laser Garden, an ever-evolving experience, basks the audience in a blanket of endless green laser beams. Lightscape is just the sweet and surreal experience that brings the natural world to life, a holiday time treat that marries the outdoors to an ethereal sense of the season. I hope you all liked my video. If you liked it, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching.